Yeah, his HDMI and his motherboard blue.
That wouldn't do anything, I don't think.
It won't display video out of your motherboard. Since you have a GPU, it automatically defaults to GPU.
I don't think so.
I mean, surely.
Oh, if you want to try it, I don't think so though.
The fans still look up.
Yeah.
That's something to keep in mind. But
Bro, this motherboard looks badass, bro.
That issue. This new one smells more burnt than this one.
Oh wait, do you smell the burn in the power supply or in the CPU?
No, in the power supply. It smells fine, right? My sense of smell is terrible.
I don't smell burn.
There's also. Can I have you up?
1 second.
Just stick your finger back here and push more.
There we go.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it.
I don't have a. Okay, so yeah, this is what my rope looks like. And after that, it's just this. There's so many of these.
So huge.
12 on it.
This one? Yeah.
It makes me so hard to split for no reason. There we go.
Seeing a loose power supply is weird.
Yeah, that's all. So that way I can just route these cables.
That'll be good.
Yeah, that'll work.
That'll be splendid.
Where did my Milwaukee go, bro? Oh.
Yeah. If you get around to where you need this power supply load, don't
Yeah.
worry. It's super easy for me to just go ahead and close this
Bet.
up.
Bet.
I'm not worried about it. But I'm gonna be taking a gold potion quite soon. Yeah, I'm gonna take everything I can.
But I want mine back, bro.
Yeah, no, you got it.
Okay, thank you.
No, I'm taking everything from his old one because, dude, like, I think that PC I'm gonna work on, the GPU's like an RX 570.
Huh?
It's an AMD RX 570, which is, I had an RX 580 as my first GPU freshman year.
Oh.
Dude, oh my gosh.
I know, I'm telling you, bro. That thing is huge.
Did you see this?
Yeah.
This is massive.
I'm telling you, bro.
Is this from the list that I made?
He's never gonna overheat.
Never.
And that's all for a Ryzen 5 boy.
Is this from the list that I sent over?
Yeah.
I threw this on here? I must not have really looked at the dimensions, Brad.
That's all from the list that Lady gave me.
Oh yeah, that's the list that I sent then.
Yeah.
No way. My fault for giving you a goofy cooler.
No, that's fine.
I just
Now I have 4 smaller fans, 1 massive fan.
Yeah.
No, yeah, he's not gonna have any problems at all
I should have known
overheating.
that I put that on there. It's not good, bro.
-7 millimeter or 0. Oh, thank you.
Did I snipe that?
And that's what I'm gonna be
That's
saying.
what we
For,
always say, bro.
yeah, for
I
real.
always take an hour to clean up the egg.
Your mom's calling you.
Yeah. Nice. We'll wait for
Oh.
Lane to get back to eating.
Yeah.
You can go ahead and eat. How do you like?
Boy, on me, huh? It's meant to be broken. I just
You're gonna
want.
have that honey help? Dude, have you ever had athlete's foot?
Ever had what?
Athlete's foot?
Fuck. Yeah, I have had that. Like only a little bit at a time.
I
Though.
have some right now on my pinky toe, in between my pinky toes. On my left foot.
We're not gonna be able to fit 2 fans.
Or not?
No,
Too big.
too big. But
Can you-
one. We'll try that.
That was COVID for sure. That was COVID for sure.
Yeah, that's much better. That'll fit. Much better. I could probably lower it too, but
Yeah,
I'll just do that after.
Yeah, I would just lower it all the way down. I put this on the list, but I didn't know it was gonna be this big because I'm used to seeing Noctua coolers, and I'm like, nah, that's normal size.
That's a
Like,
normal.
this is a cooler master. I got Noctuas about this size, and I was like, oh, this is just gonna be 2 of those just sandwiched together. But no, they made them fat. Like, this thing gonna be cold though. Like, he ain't never gonna need to replace one of these.
Yeah, that hoe gonna be cold, bro.
Yeah. Thermal paste on my finger.
2 years.
Yeah. It's gonna run that thing like a charm, probably. You done?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I had to say.
Okay.
You got cameras? You got cameras?
You ever hang out at Gus's house?
Sometimes. What's it called? I'm usually busy
Yeah.
whenever he invites me. He always invites me at the wrong time. Or like, I'm hanging out with
Same.
Dude, he invited me last night, tonight, but like last night I was hanging out with Dan and they were like, just bring her. I'm like, well, what are y'all gonna be doing? Oh, it's gonna be me, Connor, Eric, and like another dude. He's like, we're gonna be playing NCAA and drinking margaritas. And it's just like, she's not gonna wanna go do that, you know?
Where's
Like,
my invite? Oh.
dude, you need to hit him up.
I was there like a couple days ago. I was supposed to be gone yesterday though.
This text me
So-
said, when are we hanging? I think he's doing something tonight. They might be playing NCAA again.
They move. Probably is the move. I just reinstalled Titanfall 2. Because I'm actually so bored I don't know what to play.
Titanfall's the worst option.
Titanfall's so fun. It's just like 10 years old.
Dude, I completely forgot that I'd sent that list to Leighton. And then whenever he said, Huddy's already built his PC, I was like, oh, bro, I forgot. You know?
I forgot. Well, let me look over the parts again, bro. I hate when people do that, bro. People that don't know how to make a PC. Did you hear about what happened with the Samsung drives? Like half of them don't even work anymore.
No?
Yeah, it was weird. And they always do
What
these.
is that?
They're always so different.
I've never seen this.
Layton's was
Scared of this cooler, dude. Because PC part picker's fitment can only do so much, dude.
Yeah,
That in?
I think so, yeah. Thank you, friend. We got your GPU, and this is for processing all of the video you see on the screen.
Yeah, this is what allows you to play video games on.
Yep,
It's the most expensive part, typically.
typically. Yeah, it'll fit. Yeah, plenty of room.
Okay. I didn't know how tall that backlight was gonna be.
Well, maybe not plenty of room, but it'll fit.
Okay.
Yep. Oh, I love standoff screws that stay in, bro.
It's probably a pop system with it. Okay.
Feels like it. Feels like it all, yeah.
Yeah.
It slides and pops. Thank you.
Oh, so it's a plastic cover on both sides, right?
Yeah.
Well, I think it's metal on this. Yeah. But oh, you're saying the peel?
Like just a sheet off of it.
Yeah. Hold it heavy.
I've already taken it off.
Yeah.
I'm just see what's inside.
So, do you want me to explain some of the cables to you?
Yeah.
So, I'll explain the power supply. So, come over here. Oh. I got a whole piece of show you one. So, think of your motherboard. It's almost like body and nervous system of the whole deal.
Yeah.
So if your motherboard's not getting any power, nothing's getting power. It's a critical component. You plug in your motherboard slot, your power supply, starts it all.
Boy, by the hair of our, we got a millimeter of clearance, bro.
Between the fans?
We got a, between this case and the,
No.
boy, you was lucky. You was lucky, bro. You got like, bro, let me take this off. If I can figure out how I did it.
You have to like pull it out almost. It's so weird.
Yeah, bro, look. It's like almost flush, bro. These two.
I'm telling you, Doug, you're never gonna have a hot computer.
Yeah, you never will, bro.
You're never gonna have a hot computer. So,
Praise the Lord.
where you mounted it face down because it's pulling air from the bottom of the case. Typically, motherboard, your big fat 24 pins, always plugged in right here on this. On any motherboard, it's pretty much always. I order a green chili burger if you have to put them on yourself.
I'll just drink them.
Here, where do you want me to zip ties?
Just for the bird.
Right there.
Heather.
Green chili
Oh. Green.
Yeah, like I think
Chili.
yours is downstairs because these are just
Okay.
burgers and fries.
It's all good.
What do you like to say, Grace?
Yeah, we will say a blessing. I don't even need this plate though.
Will you do your blessing, Luke?
I will, yes.
Because
Was it in like a can and then?
yeah, we just emptied it into one.
They don't even think, I don't think they make this anymore.
They don't.
This is
Dude,
a
we
rare
need to-
novelty.
I bet you could look it up.
I'm sure there's a recipe online, but
Let me see that. Or
Alright.
Layton, you first.
thank you.
Then gonna bust
I'm
my
guessing it's
down.
salt, pepper.
Burger.
He going straight for that burger. Dang, sodium override. I'm gonna take that train with you though. Get this up.
Okay, salt's good for you. It needs sodium to function.
Yeah.
Remember learning about your sodium potassium pumps?
This
That
Yeah,
was
bird.
good.
Shall we say grace?
Who is playing Carmen on Spotify?
Mm. I hope you can see the fry.
Like the train guy.
Whoa.
Mmm. That's on bus.
You ever had a grippo burger?
Give those followers a few close up.
I know that thing. Dude, it's all in English. What are you talking about?
Oh, I'm deleting. Sorry, whoever played this first. Yeah, a lot of this is in English. It's the year 2015, late in the day. Second impact, kind of 15. So 15 years after the second impact, something arose that was nefast. In the area. So, Solo butang wa. You can't have voice clips in a Nintendo 64 thing. Nishon Wong. Something. Because the Nintendo 64 couldn't run a walnut. Okay. Yeah, something.
This is my.
Oh, there we go. Wait.
Oh, it's a steak?
Oh, this is controls. Okay. Oh, it was a timer thing, I guess. This is so. Attention.
Yeah, this looks about like the original Tomb Raider.
But that was on the PS.
No. Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, you got it.
It'll just be.
Do these zip ties come with the white?
Yeah.
As someone who absolutely thinks y'all are fantastic together and fully supports that, you should not.
Yeah, no, I'm not anywhere close yet.
Yeah.
Like, it'd be pretty sweet, but I'm just not there.
You do not be in any rush, by all means. I was, like I was talking about, it all works. I should be able to handle it. Yeah. Can you open this gate though?
Yeah, I can.
I get it.
Okay.
Standoffs. Washers.
You ever sneeze so hard that your arms hurt?
I get it in like my stomach and my chest.
Really? I get it in like my shoulders and it's my arms. It's so weird.
Huh. I guess it's just what you, oh, I should not be doing this. I should not be doing this. I should not be doing this.
You didn't put an RGB in the fan in the back?
No, I didn't, because I don't think we're going to have enough slots for it, Jack.
For the... I think we need to go this way.
There's only 2 other ports.
Yeah, there's one here, one here.
Then how do they expect us to do anything, bro?
That's what they always short out on. Those are USB headers. I guess I can run over to Best Buy.
You want to?
Yeah.
You want me to come?
Right? Where are my keys? My wallet.
Do they have it at Best Buy?
I don't know where else to go.
Did you check the app?
No.
Probably should. To not waste a trip.
Nope. Okay, yeah, let me go up. I'll be right there. Hey, I didn't see anything, Luke, on
Yeah.
their website, but I'm gonna go anyways, just on the off chance that they have something, because he's gonna
Alright.
need them, yeah?
Yeah, well, I don't know. I'm just gonna...
Can you daisy chain them off of each other? I know some will do that.
No, only the Leanne Lee ones, bro.
Okay.
But, there are 4. Oh, I guess that hoe just died.
No, you got that.
forgive me and the world outside your room. So this slot right here is where it's gonna go, but that's actually upside down, see? Yeah, they trick you. And this metal part is gonna go all the way against here. You'll see where it lines up. It might be, I don't think it should have, yeah. And then it should just kind of click down if you, yeah, good. Good, you a pro. You a pro, bruh. And that'll screw in, it'll secure. And the night will wish this never ends. Yeah, so all of them are spinning except for this back black one. But the front three are spinning.
You're
and
cutting out big time.
both, all of them are spinning except for the back black one.
What's that plugged into?
That one weird one, I didn't know what it went to.
The CPU optional?
No, the other weird one in the middle of the thing.
The pump?
Dang, y'all, this is why you gotta keep your workstation clean, or you'll lose your power supply screws.
For a minute I thought I had it upside down. I worked so hard here, I put that thing upside down and make myself do extra work.
That whole thing falling off, boy.
Worked so hard I put it in backwards.
This boy put it in backwards.
Why am I tweaking? They do tweaking off a perk.
Say what's up or something. Okay.
Have you seen the one of the dude on the Snap-on truck and he's all like, no, I got this trouble. Alright, get a real one, you know. What's up with your boy? You know what I'm talking about?
What's up with your boy? Walk with your boy.
He said, fuck with your boy.
That Xbox down there, Grayson's old Xbox.
Yeah, we got a red post. Oh.
Press Y.
Y'all, we got the boot. We got the boot.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, Luke, go get the antenna.
Oh, yeah.
We need the antenna.
Currently at 13%, so it takes a
to recognize